Everyone, so all gone. Yeah, I know my own a video from a while back, about the update. But let's bear with me, I have to get some things in place. Organizing parts take a little time sometimes, especially with these type of motors. Things kinda get scarce, so been organizing and collecting. So far this is what I have. So I'm gonna show you an update clip and then we can see from there. So stay tuned. We get the engine what a week ago or so, but I have a little issue where one of the head stud bolt them did round up. When I get it, the person they try to pull the head stud bolt them and one of them they round up. So I have to bring it to the machine shop. The machine shop drill off the head of the bolt so we could lift off the head. But I not lie, the head well pretty. The black black well pretty. So I'm get it lifted and this are the black. Nice and clean. So yeah, we'll work with a blocker. We'll work with a blocker and see what we're going. But we have more on the way. Just that we have to get some things organized before. Yeah, we have to get some things organized before. So now everything will come into place. So yeah. This is so far. I'm gonna show you back inside the car. Show you what going inside the car. I mean, not much really changed since the last time because I just started trying to get everything in place. So, but yeah, we're not going to use bad head there. B20 head, non VTEC. Come with VTEC, so we're not gonna use it back. So that's the other head. It's supposed to bring it back to the machine shop. Carry it to the machine shop and bolt up and fit up and such and such. But everything is on a black clean. Yeah, that's what I like so far. Yeah? Black freshman, just want to clean up and pull up and spray out and wash out and everything. Alright people, so back inside the car now. Nothing really changed from the last time we pull it. We just pull it just to check exactly what the extent of the damage was, so nothing really changed. And yeah, again people, it's not the rod fly. So the rod down there on the crank, and the rod down there same way, and the piston them. Injector wire came off, so cylinder lean out and that was it. But everything is pretty and beautiful. Apart from here and the runner, so I don't know the other holder on this one. Other holder on so. But yeah, hot man selling a lean out, But go jumping, top of the piston. Top of the rod, go jumping. So everything is here, it's just that the wire came off. But yeah, that's basically it. Alright everyone, so another part of the rebuild process I'm gonna explain is about the ordering. I mean, yeah, everybody know for order parts and stuff, but I actually ordered the valves and some other small stuff from Real Street Performance. But when I tried to order my credit card at first, it wouldn't go through. I got an error message, but it still charged me. So Real Street, I contacted them. They told me what to do after I actually link it to PayPal. So link the card to PayPal and I was able to order some of the stuff. So that's another tip you can know when you're ordering from Real Street. But the parts were very cheap, actually, very cheap. So and also when I ordered the stuff, Real Street after the confirmation email, they reach out to me and actually ask me about the bill and stuff. So what a dialogue about the bill and future plans and stuff. So they actually they actually are concerned about your bills and stuff like that. So I spoke to Hans from Real Street. So yeah, when you're ordering, you can be mindful where you order stuff from and who actually helps you out, and if you need advice on ordering stuff, you can link me up and stuff like that. But yeah, Real Street Performance got some stuff from there that actually reach out to me. As I said, I had dialogue about the build, sent them pictures, got asked for pictures and stuff like that, told them about the channel. So yeah, that's another good part about it. So that was a small preview of the update, you know, what we have so far and what we're doing. So just follow through. Thank you everyone for liking, subscribing, and sharing, commenting. You know, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everyone for the turnout and stuff like that. So thank you so much. So follow up with the update, follow up with the process, follow up with the build. You know, budget build. I try to do it so that everyone can do it at home also. You know, so thank you for the support. All right, till next time, people.